Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Cuisines. Today we're making potato soup. So we're going to first start by cooking our bacon. We're going to actually use this bacon grease. Now let's saute some onions in that bacon grease. After that, in a crock pot on warm, add your chopped potatoes. Now add some garlic. Now add in those onions and also that bacon grease. That's going to give it a lot of flavor. We're going to season with some garlic powder, onion powder, and some other seasonings I will have listed below. Chili powder, paprika, fresh black pepper, thyme, fresh basil leaves, add in some chicken broth, and we're going to cook this for about 5 hours on high. If you have to cook it for longer, then go ahead. Now we're going to make a cornstarch slurry. This will thicken up your potato soup. So I use water and cornstarch and I mix that together. Once your potatoes are done, go ahead and mash them up a little bit. You want to keep some the texture. After that, pour in your cornstarch slurry. Mix that in very well and season to taste so you can add more seasoning if needed. I also added in cheese, some sour cream, and of course my favorite, crushed bacon. I'm gonna mix that in very well, and you can top this with more bacon, cheese, sour cream, and also scallions. If you decide to recreate this dish, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.